Hi guys, my name is Sean Digital. In today's video, I'm going to be answering some questions. One of them is, how do we create a Ton wallet? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Ton wallet. If you're here to subscribe on this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will know whenever I drop videos like this that can help you to make money, right? So, and also like this video if you get value from it. So what you need to do, if you're using an Android phone, go to your Play Store. If you're using an Apple phone, which is an iPhone, go to Apple Store, right? So I'm going to go to Play Store right here, click on it, and then there are like three wallets that you can use to connect your Hamster, to connect your Tap Swap. All of these are Ton wallet. So I have one of them, I have two of them, so I want to download one in order to show you how to do it. So I'm gonna click on search button right here. All right, so I'm gonna search for my Ton wallet, my Ton wallet. All right, so you can use this, my Ton wallet. All right, this is my Ton wallet, and this is 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓 wallet. Then we have Ton Up wallet, we have 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐹_X, we have this, all of these are decentralized exchange. All right, but what I need to do, I have already downloaded this, you can see installed. So I want to show you how to do the same process to do all of these things. All right, these wallets, they're decentralized because when you keep your money there, nobody have access to it. There is no password, and if the only thing to enter into the wallet is your passphrase, and those key passphrases, if you lost them, they are gone for life. All your money will be locked for life. So it is advisable that when you get to the part of that key phrases, you have to write them down and keep them safe. I repeat, when you lost them, the company cannot even recover it because they don't have access to it. You are the only one who have access to that key phrases. So now I'm going to click on my Ton wallet. So when you click on my Ton wallet, you are just going to head on and click on install. Wait for it. All right, so you just wait for it to install. So now that you have installed that, click on open. So wait for it to pop up. So here you are going to see two options there: create or enter your 12 secret word, which I told you need to keep them safe. They are called seed. Some call it seed, some call it phrases, some call it words, but they are secret word. If you have a wallet before and you want to recover your wallet, you are just going to click on this place and put in those words. But if you don't have a wallet before, you're going to click on this place and create a new wallet. Click create. So once you click on create, and then you have something like this. All right, you say create a code to protect it. So you need a 4 code in order to log in whenever you want to log in. So I'm going to put in a 4 code, right? All right, so once you put the 4th code, it's going to ask you to repeat it again. I'm going to repeat it. Then you have successful, and it's going to take you to this place. It means that you want to use your fingerprint. All right, so you can use your finger biometric. So I can say not now. I can also say connect. So I'm going to connect that. So anytime I want to log in, I will just put in my finger to just do it. All right, so I'm going to allow all of this, then click on understood. This is the 24 secret words that I told you about. You need to keep this thing very safe, so you can write them down or you screenshot it and keep it very safe. And it's something that is confidential. You do not show to anyone. Do not send or show it to anyone. Do not enter it anywhere at all. All right, so I'm going to screenshot this. So once I screenshotted, so I'm going to save it. Then once I have that, I'm going to click on check. Let's check. They will ask me to provide those things that are screenshotted. I need to provide them. Number 7, what is number 7 word, what is number 10, what is number 18. So I'm going to check it out. So I'm going to put it there. 7 spike, number 10 number, then March. All right, so once I have this correctly, so I'm going to hit the button continue. So I have my wallet. So this is my Ton wallet. All right, so the wallet is set up. So this is how to set up your wallet. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to connect it to your Hamster Kombat or TapSwap and every other one that you need to connect it with. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.